Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace Ford Ranger fog lights, updated. Start by parking on level ground, disconnecting the battery, and removing the bumper access panel to reach the fog housing. Unplug the connector, remove retaining screws, swap the old fog lamp for the new unit, and test the light before reassembling. Take your time and consult your manual for model specifics. Remove the fog lamp assembly carefully to avoid breaking clips or scratching paint, and keep all screws organized. Use a 10 mm socket and trim tool to release fasteners and keep connectors accessible. Replace seals if cracked, align the bulb so beam pattern matches opposite side, then torque screws snugly and reconnect the battery to verify operation before final reassembly. Wear eye protection and gloves, and avoid touching LED or halogen bulbs with bare hands. Quick recommendation: if you want comfort after a long install, try Darn Tough socks with a lifetime warranty for durability and blister protection. If this video is helping, please subscribe and like so I can make more useful guides. Check the description for the sock link and other deals and support. They are great for long wrenching days and keep your feet warm during test drives. Thanks for watching, and now let's get back to the video. Test the new fog lights after installation by activating the fog switch and inspecting beam alignment and brightness. If lights flicker, check ground connections and replace corroded terminals, or use dielectric grease on connectors for reliability. For uneven beams, adjust the housing or replace the bulb with manufacturer-specified type, and take a short drive to confirm visibility improvements in fog or low light conditions. Also keep spare bulbs and a small toolkit in the truck for quick roadside fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.